Welcome to the Kitten TV channel. Hello everyone. Today the kitten will introduce you to another extremely dangerous and mysterious animal for humans, and that is the dinosaur. Please listen, dear students. Dinosaurs, a group of reptiles belonging to the Dinosauria branch, first appeared in the Triassic period around 243–233.23 million years ago. The precise origins and evolutionary milestones of dinosaurs are still under ongoing research and exploration. Since the Triassic-Jurassic extinction event approximately 201.3 million years ago, dinosaurs became the dominant vertebrate group throughout the Jurassic period until the end of the Cretaceous period. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event around 66 million years ago led to the extinction of most dinosaur groups and three-quarters of Earth's species, marking the end of the Mesozoic Era and the beginning of the Cenozoic Era. Fossil records indicate that birds evolved from feathered dinosaurs, evolving from a larger group of dinosaurian theropods in the late Jurassic. Some bird species survived the mass extinction event 66 million years ago and continued to diversify into the present-day avian species. Therefore, birds are the only surviving descendants of dinosaurs, and dinosaurs are not entirely extinct, as a lineage of them persists to this day. Dinosaurs can be divided into two types: non-avian dinosaurs, all dinosaur species excluding birds, and birds. Dinosaurs exhibit a wide range of diversity in terms of biological classification, morphology, and ecology. With over 10,000 surviving species, birds are the most diverse group of vertebrates outside of the fish class. According to fossil evidence, paleontologists have identified 500 genera and over 1,000 non-avian dinosaur species. Dinosaurs were present on all continents, evidenced by both extant species, birds, and remaining fossils. In the first half of the 20th century, before birds were classified as dinosaurs, most scientific communities believed that dinosaurs were slow-moving and cold-blooded. However, research in the 1970s demonstrated that dinosaurs were active animals with high metabolic rates and good adaptability for social interactions. Some were herbivores, while others were carnivores. There is evidence that all dinosaurs laid eggs, and nest building is a common trait among all dinosaurs, both avian and non-avian. Dinosaurs' ancestors walked on two legs. However, many dinosaur genera walked on four legs, and some genera could switch between two- and four-legged locomotion. Horns and crests are common features among all dinosaur groups, and some groups even developed bone structure variations such as armor or spikes. While modern dinosaurs, birds, are relatively small for flight convenience. Although some bird species cannot fly, many dinosaur species had very large bodies. The largest theropod dinosaur genus could reach lengths of up to 39.7 meters and heights of 18 meters. Nevertheless, the notion that most dinosaurs were large is a misconception, as larger fossils tend to be better preserved. Many dinosaur genera were quite small, such as Shishenicus, which was only about 50 centimeters long. Regarding size, scientists may never find the largest and smallest dinosaurs. This is because only a small number of dinosaurs left fossils after death, and most of these fossils remain undiscovered, buried beneath the Earth's surface. Very few specimens recovered are complete skeletons, and traces of skin and soft tissue are rare. Reconstructing a complete skeleton based on size and morphological comparisons with similar species is a common but not entirely accurate method, and restoring muscles and organs is mostly speculative based on some biological principles. Comparing size to Giraffatitan, the tallest and heaviest known dinosaur from a well-preserved skeleton is Giraffatitan branchi, previously considered a Brachiosaurus species. Its fossils were discovered in Tanzania between 1907 and 1912. Bones from several similarly sized individuals were assembled into a complete skeleton now displayed at the Museum für Naturkunde in Berlin. This skeleton is 12 meters tall and 22.5 meters long, possibly belonging to an animal weighing around 30 to 60 tons. The longest complete dinosaur with a fossilized skeleton is Diplodocus, measuring 27 meters, discovered in Wyoming, USA, and exhibited at the Carnegie Museum of Natural History in Pittsburgh in 1907. Comparing size to Eoraptor. There are larger dinosaur species, but our understanding of them relies entirely on scattered fossil samples, most collected from 1970 onwards, including Argentinosaurus, possibly weighing from 80 to 100 tons. Some Diplodocus holorum individuals, formerly Seismosaurus, reach up to 33.5 meters, and Supersaurus is 33 meters long and reaches a height of 18 meters, touching the 6th floor of a building. The heaviest and longest species among them might be Amphicoelias fragilis, known only from a lost vertebra in 1878. Based on an illustration of this vertebra, this creature could be 58 meters long and weigh over 120 tons. The largest meat-eating dinosaur is Spinosaurus, with a length of 16 to 18 meters and a weight of 8.15 tons. Other large carnivorous species include Giganotosaurus, Carcharodontosaurus, and Tyrannosaurus. Among non-avian dinosaurs, Aviali, the smallest species, are pigeon-sized. Not surprisingly, they are the closest relatives to birds, such as Anchiornis huxley, with a complete skeleton measuring 35 centimeters. Huxley is the smallest described non-avian dinosaur from an adult specimen, weighing 110 grams. The smallest herbivorous dinosaur is Microceratus and Wenanosaurus, measuring about 60 centimeters. Dinosaurs, as a group of animals extinct for millions of years, do not have an accurate description of their dietary habits. However, researchers rely on fossil studies, teeth, jaws, and bone structures of dinosaurs to understand their feeding habits. Some dinosaur species, such as Triceratops and Brachiosaurus, are believed to have primarily consumed plant-based diets, including leaves, branches, and shrubs. Dinosaurs like the Tyrannosaurus rex are assumed to be predators, feeding on small or even larger animals. Herbivorous dinosaurs may have small teeth or appropriate jaw structures for biting and grinding plant-based food. Carnivorous species may have sharp teeth and jaws for cutting and tearing meat. Some plant-eating dinosaur species may have had a corrosive feeding style, similar to modern-day herbivores, to extract minerals from rocks and plants. Carnivorous species might have hunted by chasing and attacking their prey. It is important to note that information about dinosaur diets is still a subject of research and may even change as new discoveries are made. About reproduction. Dinosaurs laid eggs with a membrane and a hard shell primarily composed of calcium carbonate. Most built nests that were very complex, taking forms such as cups, vaults, discs, bowls, and even burrows. Some modern birds do not build nests. Common murres, for instance, lay eggs on cliffs, and male emperor penguins hold eggs between their legs. Prehistoric birds and many non-avian dinosaurs laid eggs in communal nests, and often, the male incubated the eggs. Modern birds have a single oviduct and lay one egg at a time, while primitive birds and non-avian dinosaurs had two oviducts, similar to crocodiles. For example, dinosaur genera like Trudon laid 2 eggs every 1 or 2 days and synchronized hatching by not incubating the eggs until all were laid. Since the first dinosaur fossils were documented in the early 19th century, dinosaurs have become a part of popular culture, and their skeletons or fossil reconstructions serve as attractions in museums. The enormous size of some dinosaur groups, coupled with their seemingly mythical and monstrous nature, ensures their presence in best-selling books and movies like Jurassic Park. Public enthusiasm has led to substantial sponsorship for dinosaur research, and new discoveries are regularly highlighted by the media.